Don't you guys smell that fresh air?
Yes, and I see all those scientific specimens.
Oh, look at that oak tree. I can't wait to go camping.
Have you ever heard the tale of the monster dog? I think we can hear her right now.
I think that's just a bear trying to catch its food at the river nearby.
Okay, if you say so.
Beep, beep. We're here.
Okay, let's get out. Look at this wonderful daisy tree.
Wow, it's so pretty. Whoa, I'm stuck on one of its branches.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go unpack the tent. Okay, guys, help me set up the tent.
Why did we pack such a big tent again?
So you can all sleep in it. Of course, Mr. Smart Potato Head.
Okay, I've started the firewood already.
All right, we set up the tent.
It took a lot of hard work to follow these instructions. Wait,
Yeah.
I think I lost them.
Potato, why are you sleeping in firewood again? Oh no, I'm so tired.
Do you guys want to go hiking?
Sure. Let me get my riding boots. My walking boots.
Why does that bear keep growling?
Maybe it's the monster.
That's just a silly old Shopkins legend, Potato.
If you wish, or if you think.
Wow, look at this place. Whoa,
I really like that tree with the flower.
look at this deciduous forest. So beautiful.
Yeah. Ooh, look over there. There's so many trees. Come on, guys. Ooh, watch out. Oh, look at this tree.
Wow, I tripped over a log and it kind of hurt.
Do you want to go back to camp?
No, it's okay. I only got a little scrape on my arm.
Oh. Come on, guys.
Potatoes covered.
Potato.
Potato, I got him.
Oh my goodness. Help! Somebody, help!
You were on Belinda. Are we gonna go? Potatoes always lying down on the vegetation.
Okay. Guys, abort. Abort this massive tree growth.
We have to go. The alarm's set. The sun's almost down.
Okay, I'm ready
The
to go
alarm
back
went
to.
off.
I'm ready to go back to camp.
Sounds good. We have to
Eat
go.
some mushrooms. Let's go.
Ooh, that was one planty day. I got some dirt stuck in my shoes. Ew.
Well, Pia.
It's pre-Anna. I keep telling you guys.
Do you guys want to roast some marshmallows? Tell campfire stories?
Sure.
I would love it.
These clovers taste delicious.
I believe that they're called marshmallow clovers, and I packed them because you know we're outdoors and all.
Yeah, they're nature themed. Wow, this tastes delicious. So, you guys want to do some campfire stories now? Oh,
Sure.
why'd you give me such a big marshmallow? Covers up my face.
Because you need to eat more.
Hey.
You're the skinniest one out of all of us.
Okay, that is an insult. Okay, let me tell you my story. So, once upon a time, there was this dog named Popcorn, and she lived in this forest.
And
Well, she liked to eat Shopkins. Ah! And what the Shopkins did to protect themselves was feed it dandelions. Is there still a popcorn in this woods? Well, there have been multiple sightings, but nobody has proven it yet. Really?
Wait, I want to tell you guys something.
What?
To my people, the frozen aisle, we have heard a story about popcorn. But she has traveled. She has traveled to many places, chewed many Shopkins, but never chewed one of us food Shopkins or homeowners.
Guys, I don't feel like having the story right now. How about my story?
Sure.
Once upon a time, there was this blender, and she had no dresses. Dun dun dun!
How is that scary?
It is. It's so scary.
Why is it so scary, Belinda?
Because it is. Okay. How about this is enough stories for tonight?
Let's go to bed.
Let's just hope the popcorn doesn't munch on us.
Okay.
Potato.
Let's go.
What on earth? What is that?
What a pungent smell!
Wild dog! Bye, guys! Belinda!
Guys? What's this about? Guys? What is that? What's the sound? Guys? Oh goodness. What am I gonna do?
Oh no,
Guys?
we left Belinda! We gotta go back, Potato!
Okay.
The dog was her best
Come on, Belinda, get in.
Okay, let me drive. You don't even have a driver's license.
Sorry.
I smell a smell. Oh, ew. Ew. Oh,
There's dirt in the car! Who left the window unlocked this morning? Wait, what time is it? It's
Here,
10:26 at night.
Here, I got the flower. It'll defend us. Let's go.
Are you sure that legend is true about the dog?
Yes, it is 100% true.
Okay.
I think we're escaping. Are you the wild dog who likes to munch on Shopkins?
I do munch on Shopkins, but I'm not evil. I'm just lonely. You Shopkins scared me away a long time ago. I was just eating you guys because I was comfort eating. You guys made the dandelions go up my nose. And I ran away because I hate the smell of dandelions, you know. I love this moss.
Are you just lonely because you don't have any friends?
Yeah. So, I should probably get going. I don't want to cause you guys any more trouble.
Well, do you want to be friends?
Of course I want to be friends.
Yay! Then let's be friends. Come to our camp and eat marshmallows.
I'll join you in a little bit. Doesn't that sound good? I'll always come visit you.
Thanks, new friend.